Once upon a time there was a great valley, surrounded by many hills. Down the backside of the western hills lay a kingdom next to the sea, protected by the rocky slopes and the ocean. One day, armies from the eastern plains flooded into the valley, the intention being to cross it and the western hills and take the kingdom by the sea. Many millions of soldiers piled into the valley. Now, the kingdom by the sea had no armies, nor catapults, nor bastions, nor even walls. The only thing to protect it were the 5 upon the hill. The first one, Earth, rushed down the slope and into the valley to meet the soldiers. He fought hard and killed many thousands, but he was easily overtaken by their numbers and left as rubble on the valley floor. After his death, the horde simply kept coming. The next, wind, rushed through the air over the heads of the armies and crashed down upon them, spun out and along, and killed many more thousands. But the assault lasted only moments, much shorter than Earth's, because when wind hit the eastern hills, her momentum was gone, and she collapsed in exhaustion on the ground. And the horde simply kept coming. Metal came next. He jumped into the valley and began to slaughter left and right, slicing here and cleaving there. The slaughter was so violent that great mists of red floated into the air and made the sky look as though evening were falling upon the world. But unfortunately the massacre, although lasting longer than the 2 before it, ended. Metal had been overtaken, like Earth, by the overwhelming numbers. So, with a cocky attitude, fire, next upon the hill, exploded over the valley, sweeping across it, killing millions of soldiers, nearly half of all the soldiers coming from the eastern plains. But fire, with all his arrogance and irascible nature, burnt himself out quickly. His fight, although more effective than the others, came swifter to its conclusion. And the hordes, despite this slaughter, continued coming. Last upon the hill was water. Unlike the others, he did not rush quickly into the valley. Instead, he lay under a tree on the hill, put his legs up and waited, almost falling into slumber. He waited until every last soldier had come over the eastern hills, until the very first soldiers reached the foot of the western hills. And then calmly and lazily, he slid down the slope and flooded the valley, drowning every last soldier. And once all the soldiers in the valley were dead, he slumbered and rested there. In the kingdom by the sea, the kingdom shined on.